Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to clean a stainless steel watch. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The process for cleaning a stainless steel watch is fairly simple. You're going to clean the bracelet in the same way that you would clean any other piece of stainless steel, and then the watch face over here that you can see, this part right here, you're going to be extra careful with that, and I'll show you exactly what to do. You want to avoid getting water on this part, okay? So I'll show you how to do this easily so that you don't get water on the face. First of all, if there's a clasp or anything like that, you want to undo it, which most likely there is some sort of clasp if it's a stainless steel watch, like I'm explaining. The next thing that you're gonna want to do is get a toothbrush like this, okay? And you want to have access to soapy water. So you can either put soap directly on the toothbrush like I'm gonna do right now, or you can have just a bowl of soapy water. So I'm gonna turn on the water at a very, very low speed, just so it doesn't make too much noise. I'm gonna wet the toothbrush like that. I'm gonna put you just need a touch of soap. You really don't need much. Even if you're putting soap in the bowl, you really don't need that much. So you just need just a touch like that. That's literally all the soap that I'm going to use. And this is a specific cleaning toothbrush that I use. This is a toothbrush that I only use for cleaning things, obviously. This is not a regular toothbrush that I'm using. It's just one that is dedicated for cleaning things around the house. I'm going to take the soapy water and I'm going to brush it. As you can see, all those bubbles, brush it into the bracelet because you want to get rid of all of that dirt in between, okay? Brush it all around the bracelet just like that, carefully avoiding the face of the watch. Just brush it all into the bracelet just like that, as you can see right here. And if you can remove your watch bracelet from your stainless steel watch bracelet, that's even better. But you want to do that, and then you want to try and do the inside as well. So as you can see right here, I'm just doing get my hand out of the way, I'm just doing the inside as well, okay? Make sure you get into all of the crevices. I like to move the watch as I'm doing it because then it gets into all of these spots, all right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove all of the soap from the toothbrush. Now we're just using basic water on the toothbrush, and I'm going to brush it one more time to dilute all of the soap, okay? This is just water on the toothbrush because it's easier to rinse off diluted soap than it is to rinse off, soap that's thick. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to just use our hand and we're going to rub off all of the soap. And the key here is you're not going to put the watch under the water. We're not going to do that because we want to get rid of all the soap while not touching the face of the watch, okay? Even if your watch is water resistant or waterproof, I still wouldn't recommend that you just wash the face of your watch with water, okay? So once again, I'm just getting the water and I'm using it to rub on the bracelet, the stainless steel bracelet, okay? Now, as you can see right here, what we've done, let's turn that water off. What we've done is we've cleaned the stainless steel watch. Now, what we need to do, it's very important, is to dry it. So you want to make sure that you dry the watch because you don't want that water sitting in between the links and then causing any sort of discoloration or anything like that. Now, as for the face of the watch, what I like to do is very simple. You can choose to just clean the watch face with like a microfiber cloth. What I do is I just take my hand is like barely damp at all. I just rub the face like that. So now I've just got water on the crystal, and then I'm going to dry the whole watch. Now you can use a cloth. I'm honestly just going to use my shirt, my sweater, because it's easily available. So I'm going to just rub the crystal, as you can see, nice and shiny. And then I'm going to rub the bracelet of the watch like that, just drying it off. Now, like I said, you can use a towel for this. I'm just going in a circular motion on the bracelet of the watch. And last but not least, before you finish, you want to make sure that you move the bracelet like that to get any remaining water out of the links. Just move the bracelet like that and then give it one more dry with either a cloth or a towel. I would recommend you use a microfiber cloth, but this is a very soft material shirt. That's it. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning. The condition of the stainless steel watch right now, it just looks gorgeous because it's so clean. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.